Alright, what is up boys and girls, welcome back to another video. I am Crypto Maximalist. Please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Before we begin, I have an amazing giveaway for those who sign up to ByBit down below using my link. I partnered with them to offer a free $500 trading position on their platform to do with as you choose. If you sign up in the next 70 days using my link down below in the description and deposit $100. I personally used it to take a 3x leverage long on Dogecoin, and if it hits $1, I'll make around 15k for free. Definitely worth checking out below. So we're just taking a quick look at Vechain then on our daily time frame. As we can see, very much looking like it is basically having a little rest, a little bit of a retrace over the past week or so. In line with all of our other altcoins, pretty much every other altcoin is looking exactly the same as this. Cardano, which is one that's been outperforming a lot, you can see doing something very similar, having a bit of a drop and then a little bit of a retrace as people probably take profits on that recent move that we have seen to the upside. Big move to the upside that you've seen here. Lovely price action, and now looking like we could potentially be forming somewhat of a resistance like this that needs to be broken for Vechain in this local area. Let me just move this across. This thing's really annoying me. There we go. Keeps getting in the way of my line tool. Potentially forming some kind of wedge pattern as well, or maybe some kind of coiling pattern like this as well. I think the descending wedge pattern's starting to play out for a few cryptos. Veracity looks like it's got a descending wedge pattern as well. And you can see Vechain here looking really nice in terms of the macro structure. As I said before, looking like we're on that third wave of the bull market at the minute. And you can see here the 1-2 played out pretty much to perfection. Lovely descending wedge, and then the third wave to the upside here, liquidating a number of shorts, an incredible amount actually, as we just rip through all this resistance in this very parabolic move to the upside. As you can see, this is pretty much a straight line to the upside. When I zoom out, you can see it's basically a straight line to the upside, which is pretty insane. You can see looking very good in terms of higher highs and higher lows, heading into another bull market. After this prolonged sideways accumulation for the bear market, the reset that we did see in the previous market, we got the break, the retest, the continuation, which we'll probably see, I think, an overextension up towards 10 cents or so for Vechain, before getting a retrace back down into this 5 cent area here, and then that final leg to the upside, sending us to new all-time highs in my opinion, or at least back up towards the all-time high for Vechain in that final leg. Right now, Vechain looking very nice indeed. Bitcoin right now, as I've said in other videos, looking like it's probably potentially closing with its highest close ever actually. If we take a quick look at that chart, because it does inform the price action for Vechain, you can see we are sitting just under that 103k level, which is that 127 Fibonacci area. You can see we're kind of heading up right now in almost like a channel to the upside. Something like this, with a little bit of deviation either way. But right now, Bitcoin looking very strong, although as I said in other videos, these bearish divergences coming in very strong. We're losing price action momentum to the upside right now, and we are, in my opinion, looking like we could be coming back down for a bit of a retrace, in my opinion, over the next few weeks. You can see quite clearly on the charts here that we have come up. We've tapped this 127 Fibonacci level at 103.5k, and we've also obviously been hovering around that 100k level for a good while as well. I do think we are losing momentum here, despite what people may think. And if we do open tomorrow on Monday with a big bearish momentum, which can happen a lot on Mondays in the crypto markets, and we did come back down towards 90k again in this area here, breaking down, you would say, from this support that we've been following up in this local area, I do think coming back down towards 80k is fairly likely in terms of a scenario. Obviously, if that's the case, we'll see Vechain retrace significantly as well. But overall, we've had this, if you say just the move from here to here, you do tend to get these 50% retraces of the local move for Bitcoin before continuation. It's happened a lot on the way up in this big bullish move we've seen since basically the start of last year. We had a nice move here, 50% retrace, nice move here, 50% retrace, but 100% retrace on this little move. We came up here, we had only a 25-30% retrace on this one. This obviously, this big long consolidation continuation here was a 50% retrace as well. So if you did count the move from here to here, you could see a full back test down to 70k if we did get a full 50% retrace again to get that balance back in the markets and liquidate loads of shorts. Liquidate loads of longs, sorry. as people pile in terms of shorts. But obviously if it's just from here to here, we could see a nice 50% retrace to 80k. In either instance, I do think 70 or 80k, this area here, a likely area that's going to get revisited, in my opinion, as we have seen a lot of upwards price action, up only kind of price action for Bitcoin recently. You could see pretty much from this swing low down here at 50k, we've pretty much been going straight up. No real major pullbacks like in this area here where we were consolidating. And in my opinion, we could see a very, very significant pullback for Bitcoin soon. It might not be next week, but it will be soon, in my opinion. And if that's the case, we are going to be seeing Vechain getting a retrace as well. Right now, looking like it's consolidating and going sideways, as we can see on the charts. I do think Vechain is going to do very well in the long term. But right now, in my opinion, it's looking like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves to the upside is going to be the thing that we're looking for. Just like I've been saying for so many videos now, we've got that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves to the upside that I'm looking for. Vechain getting up to that 50 cents to $1 area for the price target for this bull market, at least in an all-time high or up towards the all-time high, is the goal for me. I've been accumulating this for years now during the bear market, so right now just basically waiting for that next move to the upside. Bitcoin is going to lead the market, so if we do see a drop for Bitcoin, expect one for Vechain. If Bitcoin keeps going sideways, we could see our altcoins having one more push to the upside before, I would say, a prolonged considered retrace like this, just like we saw before the final leg to the upside. Right now we're just chilling and waiting to see what Bitcoin does next. Make sure to sign up to ByBit for a huge 30k bonus down below. Massive prizes at the minute for depositing $100. Bitrue are also offering 50 USDT for depositing, or if you're looking for a non-KYC self-custody exchange for trading, AlphaX down below in the description as well, and like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.